Hi and welcome back to MS Excel 2013 tutorial. In this video we're going to be looking at the various methods of printing, what to do when you're going to print, and how to set up your actual page for printing. Now the first place I'm going to go down to is in your backstage view. Remember we mentioned right in the beginning that we've got a print button in our backstage view. Well, let's go and have a look at it. Move your mouse cursor to the print file. Move your mouse cursor to the File tab, click on File tab, and you'll notice on the left hand side over here we've got Print. Click on Print, and it now brings up your page. First of all, it's showing you what it's going to look like and what is going to be printed. Then you've got on the left hand side over here your Print button, that is for printing the actual number of copies. I can use the spin buttons up and down to increase or decrease the printer that you're going to be printing to, and all your printer settings on the left hand side over here. And you'll notice there's a page setup. If I go to page setup over here, it brings up this dialog box, which I think you recognize. I'm just going to cancel this for now, and I'm going to show you how to go do other settings. Right, we go back to our main page, as you can see, our main Excel spreadsheet, and we go to page layout over here. Click on the tab if you haven't got it open, and you'll see you've got your page set up here. If I want to bring up the dialog box, I click on the launch button, brings up the dialog box, and here we have all our information that we need to set up the page size and the printing. First of all, top orientation, portrait or landscape. Fit 100% normal size. In other words, it's telling the system to put it onto one page, and over here it's telling it to fit one page by one page. So that means whatever you're seeing on one page in your print preview is what you'll get on a page. To check the print preview, click on your print preview button over here. Brings up your print preview as you saw when you went in the backstage view. Right, before we go in and print this document, let's have a look at setting up headers and footers. We did go through this in a previous video, but let me show you again. Click on my launch button, brings up my dialog box, headers and footers, and on the header section over here, I'm going to click custom header, and in the center over here, we're going to put number of pages. Click OK. Custom footer in the center. Move over to the right over here until you see the little Excel file, and here we're going to insert file name. Now the file name that it's going to take is the file name that's at the top of your Excel spreadsheet. Click OK. Second OK. And let's go and have a look at the preview. Go back to your File tab, Print, and there at the bottom of the page is the file name, and the top of the page is the page number. You can see if I click left and right buttons over here, it shows me the two pages. That in itself is a bit of a problem because half my data is sitting on the second page. Right, so how will you fix this? How will you get it all onto one single page? Well, you got it. Change the page orientation. Go down, go to landscape, and notice we've now got one of three pages, but one page to one page, and OK. Now you can see everything is on one page. Right, now that you've got your document fitting onto one page, let's go ahead and print it. We've mentioned the print commands on the left hand side over here. As you can see here, once again, your print button, click print, it will automatically put that information onto a hard copy for you. And please make sure that if you're wanting to print in the color that you're seeing on the screen, you must have a color printer. If I want to adjust the copies again, use the spin box. Under my settings here, print active page, otherwise I could tell it which pages to print for me. I have only got one page, so that is why that's grayed out. Collated means it can sort it into, as you can see, number or page order. Your landscape and format, your landscape formatting. your paper size, and then once again your margins. Right, we've come to the end of this video. I'd like you now to go and open up your spreadsheet, make sure that it all fits onto one single page, go into the print section and make all your settings and adjustments, and then print the document. We've come to That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.